Alrighty, from talk of football to talk of the weather that just kind of doesn't do much around here. I mean, we haven't had really a whole lot of rain, nor snow, nor ice, anything for it seems like forever. I mean, it's just these cloudy skies that we've had, occasional days with sunshine over the past handful of days. Obviously, we've been in a cooler type of a pattern, but edging out of it slowly but surely today. Yesterday topped out at 31. We got to 36 this past afternoon. Now, as far as this talk of chill, talk of maybe snow, look at these numbers here, folks. Average snow through December 7th. This is if you take however many years it is that climatology does now. It goes back, what, about 100 years, something like that, maybe more at this point. 11.2 inches is what we should have, I guess maybe we could use that word should. Actual snowfall so far this year, 0.4 inches, so well below that. Last year at this time, 2019, we were at 10.4 inches. So clearly we're well behind the pace and the record for December 7th. In GR, 43.5 inches. That was from 1991. Perhaps you remember that. I just got a comment on my Facebook page of a comment from a guy who lives in Holland, or lived in Holland at that point, and remembers all the snow from, what was it, about 29 years ago already. So big changes around here. Not much going on thus far this year, but perhaps we'll turn that around as we get into January and February. Going to have to do it at that point because there's just not much showing up over the next week or two, perhaps even longer than that. Today's highs and lows across West Michigan. Seems like 37s were wild other than Grand Rapids, which got to 36. Tomorrow, as I've been mentioned in these weathercasts, we do jump up a few more degrees, so a similar increment up tomorrow as to what we got today from yesterday, and then a bigger jump on Wednesday, 47. How about 50 on Thursday? We'll be in the upper 40s on Friday to near 50, and then starting to trickle back, I think, Saturday afternoon into the evening as some cooler air starts to work in. Winds turn to the north and northwest behind a system that will originally start to give us some rain, I think, by Friday afternoon and evening, and then that could transition to snow showers later Saturday and into Sunday. More on that to come. Cpc Outlook, what does that stand for? Well, Climate Prediction Center, and this is for week 2 of the forecast, so days 8 through 14. These are the days that go the next 7 after the 7-day chart that we show you at the end of these weathercasts. So if you're wondering what's going beyond those 7 days, it looks mild overall. Now, the red nature to that kind of gives you the idea that you can walk around with shorts on, or, you know, maybe something other than a coat. You're going to need a coat, folks. It's just that there's no big Arctic invasions. It doesn't appear, and the pattern is progressive. It just continues to move along. So if we do happen to bring down some colder air or a brief shot of Arctic air, it's not going to last that long. That's the way it stands at the current time, going over the next couple 2 to 3 weeks, I do believe. Tomorrow we've still got clouds around. There's a jet stream coming in from Canada, but it's going to be easing off towards the east. Allows high pressure to build in from the central states. So Wednesday and Thursday, anticipate a good deal of sunshine. We're getting up near 50 on Thursday. And then that next system coming from the Rocky Mountains does not look real wound up, so it's not going to reach its maximum potential in terms of strength. But rain on Friday afternoon and evening into Saturday, that can transition over to snow showers at some point as cooler air arrives later Saturday into early Sunday. So could there be a light accumulation, especially north of GR? It's a possibility. We've still got many days, though, to track that. Things can change, as you know. We'll keep tabs. Doug, bottom line, warmer at the front end of the 7-day, a little bit cooler by next Sunday, Monday.